What's up, everybody? Well, today I'm going to be doing another full house vacuuming. This time I'm going to be using my Hoover Elite Energy Efficient Upright. This is one of the many Hoover Elites that are in my vacuum collection. But what I'm going to be doing in this particular comparison that's a little bit different from the other ones I've done, which pretty much some of you may not know the difference between this comparison compared to all the other ones I've done. I've done one on my green Elite Supreme that has the 20 blade retrofit fan impeller, and I did one on my maroon Hoover Preferred, which is all original with the original 7 blade fan and the double row brush roll. This one does have the original 7 blade fan, but what I'm going to be doing with this one, compared to the other ones I've done, is I have put a single row brush roll into this. Now, yeah, this is obviously not the original brush roll, and if this were to come with a new brush roll brand new, it would have been a double row. I had this laying around from another Elite, and the original double row brush roll in this was very worn out, so I just decided to put in this single row brush roll for the time being, and I figured I'd go ahead and do a full house vacuuming with it to see how it does as far as cleaning performance goes compared to the double row. In which I will say, even though this is a single row brush roll, I believe the second row could potentially act as kind of like a beater bar. However, admittedly, it doesn't reach down low enough to be used as a beater bar, but you could think of it that way. So anyway, to keep the contest fair, I have put in a fresh new Type A HEPA bag, so I made sure this thing's performing at its best. And you probably heard me talk a lot about the plans I have for this contest, and so let's just cut to the chase and get to full house vacuuming, why don't we? Alright, and so away we go. now that the full house vacuuming is complete, I will say, with this single row brush roll, I'm actually surprised of its cleaning performance. The brushes are kind of medium stiff, and admittedly this probably would have worked better had I been using the correct matching bottom plate, because you know there were many other style bottom plates for these. One that had the 3 plastic ridges right there, and then there was one that had a single ridge right there, and then there was this metal style one that was meant to be for a full length double row. So yeah, the brushless section couldn't that much act as a beater bar. And admittedly, this thing was pretty hard to push, being that it has all of its airflow with only the single row of strips to clean it. But this thing has amazing airflow. And also with this single row, it didn't produce that little self-propelled style pull the vacuum along the carpet kind of action, which is unfortunate. But let's go ahead and see what this thing picked up with a single row brush roll and everything. Okay, already I'm seeing some dust pickup. Now, as you can see, there is a lot built up on the bottom there. And apart from using another vacuum for a full house vacuuming, which was a few days ago, I haven't vacuumed in about 2 days worth, and that was just how much got picked up. So yeah, that's just the amount of power these things make. Man, and to think that was only a single row brush roll. The cleaning performance is just amazing. It's just fantastic, the power of these old Hoovers. Well, I hope you've enjoyed the video. Be sure and stay tuned. Don't forget to like, rate, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we will see you next time.